Autocomplete refers to a predictive attempt at completing a search term before the user finishes typing it into the search box. It's a convenient, time-saving feature of public internet search engines like Google that we all use every day, and users often expect similar functionality from enterprise search. LucidWorks Search has autocomplete capabilities built right in, and in this video we'll show you how to enable and configure autocomplete for your searches. I'll go ahead and log into LucidWorks Search now. And I'm going to click on our default collection, Collection 1. Now there are 3 steps to setting up autocomplete. The first of which is to just change the setting that enables it at query time. So I'm going to go hover over the Querying tab and then click on Settings. And there's just a checkbox down here that may or may not be turned on already. Just make sure that it's checked and click Save. Now the next step is to choose some fields that we want to index for autocompletion. So I'll mouse over the Indexing tab and click on Fields. The fields you choose to index will depend on your exact data, but you'll generally want to choose fields whose values are most likely to appear in users' search queries. So if your data comes from an e-commerce site, for example, then product descriptions or names would be excellent candidates for autocompletion. For our example data, which comes from a normal corporate website, I'm just going to select Body, and it looks like this field's already been set up to be indexed for autocomplete by LucidWorks. So the field you choose may or may not have this checked already. If it's not, check this checkbox and click Save. So I'm also going to autocomplete queries based on the title. So I'll go down to that field, and it's also set up to index for autocomplete already, so we're all good to go there. Now finally, we need to set up LucidWorks Search's schedule for generating autocomplete index data. The autocomplete index is actually a completely separate and distinct index from the main index of data. So I'm going to go up to Indexing here and click on Settings. Now you see this menu item, Generate Autocomplete Index. I'll go over to the Edit button, and this is where we have the option to set an interval and a time of day to repeat the autocomplete indexing. I'm going to leave it on the defaults and just click the Active checkbox and hit Save. So now I need to re-index our collection for all of that to take effect. So I'm going to go back into Collection 1, and I'm going to hit Crawl on our website data source. So now I've let the index finish, and I also gave the autocomplete index a chance to run. And we should now be able to try a search query and see autocomplete working. I'm going to start typing in relevancy, and there's relevancy in the autocomplete menu in LucidWorks Search. So that's how it works. You've learned in this video how to set up and configure autocomplete for your own searches. Thanks for watching.